How to view allowed cookies on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view allowed cookies on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and scroll down. Here you will find sites and downloads. Click on it and click site permissions, and here you will find it, this one. Click on it, and here you can view allowed cookies and site data on Samsung Internet Browser. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.